season, beginning of the season. Gotta come check it out.
Hey man, for sure. I can't wait to drive again.
Yeah, I know, me too. Cool. Hey, how you doing? Another year? There's like quite a few bikes out here tonight. I'm gonna head to the crib.
In the garage. It's been a minute since we did that. But I'm gonna tell you right now, this is another motorcycle vlog. You see what's behind me? Gold things, gold chains. Well, this bike seems to never leave me beat. It's always around in some capacity. Its newest dedication, Myke bought the bike. He bought it and he wants me to work on it. He wants me to take it from this to what we're gonna organically see as his style, whatever he's into. So he has made quite a few purchases. He started making purchases before he even bought the bike. I say, hold on, young Thundercat, hold the fuck on. You gotta buy the bike first, dog. Shit did happen to come in yesterday, so I guess today we're gonna be putting together, I think, the fairings. Those are the first thing that came. So I think Myke doesn't understand that we're gonna be able to change everything but the tank. So we're gonna go ahead and get all of this replaced, except for the tank. So what I've been itching to do is peel this lens tape off, the lens cover off, because the headlights are already gold HID, so it doesn't really need that yellow. And that yellow doesn't necessarily go with this gold. And I'm really hoping that he got some damn mirrors. But anyway, Myke is on his way. I wanted to warm up the garage before we got in here because we're gonna be working in here, and I wanted to have a warm space to work in. So let's just jump to when Myke gets here so we can start working on this bike.
Yo!
Copyright music, you turning down my bumping, nigga?
Hey, PG-13 with you in the vlog.
What?
This man then got my, I can't even say this N-word.
What?
This guy got my video demonetized.
What? What did it say? Harmful language?
It turned, my dollar sign turned from green
to yellow.
Oh,
first of all, what did you bring? What do you have?
I don't know, I got hella packages that I haven't even opened. Hecka packages that I haven't even opened.
He did tell y'all he did buy a lot of stuff before he bought the bike.
I got hecka packages in there. Hecka.
Hey man. Hella.
They ain't gonna, probably ain't gonna.
They're not gonna say nothing for hella. That's so NorCal. All right, so Myke's finally showed up. He's here. We about to work on this bike. He is he's actually not sure of what he brought. He just brought boxes.
I didn't even open the boxes yet.
He just brought boxes, so I guess it's probably
in a couple little packages.
So I guess it's gonna be a surprise. I've officially handed him over the keys. I've got the I got the bill of sale with it in the truck. I'll get that to him. So he's officially the new owner of this thing. And you know what that means?
It's time to make it unniggified.
Yeah, I gotta work on this bike.
This bike gonna go from nigga mobile to an African American guy drives that bike.
Well, I don't know. If y'all seen the text messages this man's been sending me, I don't know, dog. I don't know, yo. And I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Because like I said, I don't know what's in the boxes. He say he don't know what's in the boxes. But if anything of what those text messages are referencing to in those boxes, we might be in trouble. So let's just see what these boxes is talking about, yo. So we gonna I'm gonna not proofread. I'm gonna proof look at these boxes before I turn this camera back on. Hold on, my nigga. You got a big ass thing of fucking
Hand sanitizer?
ooh, this nigga, we finna bust a move on this nigga, cuz. Break yourself. Nigga, what's really good, cuz?
I got 2 hand sanitizers. You didn't see the picture I posted on the gram? I had
Nah.
12 things of toilet paper.
Did you buy them?
Nah, I bought 3.
Oh.
I wasn't bothered to buy 12. I don't need that many to wipe my ass.
I don't know. So everybody bugging. That's what I'm saying.
I don't understand. What's the point of buying all the hand sanitizer and toilet paper?
Ooh, nigga, what if on the low, if you eat it, you good?
No, nigga.
Why is everybody buying it?
Nigga said if you eat it, you good.
What if on the low, if you eat it, you good? All right, so Myke came through with like the super blast pipe. That's wild. Y'all remember how that bike sounded, how calm and collected it was. Now she's a little louder, but it's cool. It's cool.
That shit's stupid angle.
I know, it's out there.
Need to come
in a little bit more. Well, see, the cool thing is, yeah, Janky can like cut right here, and you know the diameter, so you could just make a little slight 15 degree,
you know
20
what I
degree.
can do? Take this curve off of this one.
Yeah, you could. Yep, have it just turn in, cut it, and stack them. Basically, you can do whatever that. Fuck you wanna do? Now we gotta look at the fairings. So, we went through a couple of boxes. He brought hella feminine hygiene products that was in boxes and stuff. So, I mean, I don't know what that's all about.
I thought we actually had more parts. That's why I should have opened and looked at it before bringing it here.
Oh, you got the cool set. It got the tank cover. I was just saying, and y'all know I'm gonna put that in right here. He's gonna have everything but the tank. It's got a tank cover on it. So that's good money. And this is what I was excited to check out, is the tank cover. So typically when you change your fairing color, you're always left with an off tank. In this case, even though it's gold, we could have peeled it off, which that would have took a minute, but we would have had a black tank. But they sent the tank cover, just goes right over this joint. So we are gonna be able to have one solid color bike, and that's kind of tight. I was actually looking at a fairing kit that had this as well for my R1, because like I said, you just don't want to have to change the tank color, because that holds up the whole process when you immediately just get the fairings, and then you gotta like match the colors, and it's just a process for us impatient folk, you know what I'm saying? But this is a good option.
I'm like very impatient.
Yeah.
Took these off and got them painted, but I was like, nigga,
Yeah.
It'll take hella long. I'm like, it's quicker to buy another set.
Yep. See, and that's where the market gets cornered with, places like this that make fairing kits, because people that are impatient, when you offer this kind of stuff, it's actually pretty good. So Yeah. Exactly. So I don't know. Do you see anything in there that came with like 3M or anything like that? I have some stuff.
I haven't seen anything yet.
Okay. Well, I got some 3M. I'll go get some, and then we can just place this tank cover on to see how it fits.
Wait, hold up. What's up, my nigga?
That shit smell like coronavirus. Why I smell like that?
Okay. I don't even want to get to the point where I know the smell.
Hold your breath.
Tomorrow.
All right, so as I check my footage, I realized that there's a whole portion missing from last night, but it's no problem. You guys can still go to Myke's channel and check out the rest or the other little intricate parts that I'm not putting into the vlog here. Bike's completed. Bike looks really, really good. I like it. Last night, took it out for a ride just to see how loud this exhaust was. It's not tremendo, but it's louder than any of the other bikes I've ever had. Sounds good. Everything's in position. Taillight's in place. He does have a new taillight that we're going to put in. Maybe mirrors, maybe not. I'm kind of rooting for mirrors. I do dig the look of this bike without the mirrors, but I do dig the look of the bike with the mirrors as well. Flush mount turn signals. Just gonna get some new pegs or some probably gold accents or whatnot to go on the back, just to mesh in with the gold and black that's on those rider pegs. Just a few little things here and there. Ultimately, man, this bike has been completely transformed. It looks really good. We saved it. We salvaged it from the condition it was. We added in a few pieces that this bike has always needed. This speed sensor right here, that kept the speedometer from working. Now everything works perfect. Like I said, I took it for a ride last night and everything's good. This thing actually jams. I've never really cranked it wide open because I was just trying to see what the exhaust sounded like under load. Cracking it wide open, man, this thing was riding. I'm pretty pleased with it. I know Myke's pretty pleased with it as well. So that's really like a super good vibe. Ultimately, part of what I was saying in the footage that didn't, get completed. Myke was kind of, I won't say he was lagging on paying for the bike. I was saying maybe he was second thinking it, I think. And like I hit him and said, look, my nigga, if you're not really sure that you want to ride a motorcycle, have a motorcycle, own a motorcycle, don't trip. I don't want to press you into making a purchase that you don't want to make, So he was like, nah, I want to make it. So I guess I was just a little push over the edge. He went ahead and paid for it, bought it and everything, went head first into buying all the stuff. But as we were putting it together, we started to see more and more what the bike's potential was and what it could be. That was a really cool part about it. While I was working on it, I was, looking, and he's looking even more excited about it. So by the time we got to this point here, man, son was like mad stoked about it. So you'll see, we were just working, but you'll see in his vlog. Go ahead and check the link in the description. I've got his channel down below. I think he's going to have his done Monday. So I'm done editing my video right now. So I'm probably going to put it up here tonight or maybe first thing in Monday morning. I don't know, because this doesn't show all the intricacies of what's going on. And you had to have stuck around to the end of the video, like right here, to even see what the bike ended up looking like. So for y'all that did stick around, you get first looks. For those that didn't, whatever. So yeah, for those that did stick around, go over to Myke's channel, check out the other parts, little intricacies about everything that was going on. And you just get to see us generally, fuck around and get this bike done. And then you also get to see and hear the bike riding under load when I took off and went for a spin. So yeah, that's going to be it, man. I'm happy about it. I really like it. The whole time this bike has been in my group of friends, it's never had every single piece of hardware on it. I mean, we even got the belly pan together. This bike is 100% together at this moment, except for the trunk key, the trunk hole. It always happens. The keys get blasted out, and then you just gotta pull the trunk tab from somewhere. But other than that, man, everything's really sick. And y'all know, I did state that I wanted to pull this lens cover off. But given that it looks so good together with this bike, it's staying. Look at that. That looks hot, yo. That looks hot. So now we twinned out with the white and black bikes. And I don't know, we're going to go from there. We'll see. Next stop is to ride it, right? So Myke's going to have a blast riding this, and I like how it turned out. So anyway, enough rambling.